Hey, what's up everyone? This is another video on what is the best printer for eBay or Amazon sales. So I got these two printers right here. I have my Office Jet back there, but that thing is a piece of crap. I like this one right here. It's a Canon i80 because the ink is cheap and it's actually portable. Look how thin it is. Actually, when I picked this up, I got ripped off. The buyer did not tell me that it was broken. One of the gear. This thing is notorious for the gear to give out. But yeah, I fixed it, and I do know how to freaking put this thing back together. I know it's missing a lot of pieces, but it still works. And like I said, the ink is real cheap. It's real small. But I recommend this if you can afford it. This thing goes for like $100 still because of the portability. If you need this, the full paper, and you want to use this for other things, pick this up. But as far as if you're selling a lot, I would recommend getting a Dymo printer. You have the Zebra printer also, and this thing is actually a thermal printer, which is basically it doesn't have any ink. See, I just ran out. Luckily, I bought two, so I don't need to wait for another roll to come in, and it's fairly cheap. It's like $10 for 2 rolls, and it saved me a lot of money because I don't got to deal with ink or anything. Just want to plug this in real quick. If you guys are looking to start your eBay business, get my eBay Hustler Guide. Check the description for the link. I appreciate everything. Hope to bring you guys more content. All right. Back to the content. But yeah, so this one is good for strictly printing. You can also download the app and print fragile or do not bend or labels that you can slap on your packages. Not only labels, but this particular model is the Dymo Label Printer 400 Turbo. They have the XL version, which is I think is better, but I got this at Goodwill for like $6.99. Can't go wrong. This one I use if I run out of this, I'll use this, or if I need to print out documents like for international shipping. But I would pick up a thermal printer over this if you're selling a lot. And yep, that's it. Peace.